Spotify launches a major app redesign with vertical feeds aimed at driving users to discover new content. That's an interesting one because I talked to a few people last night, and people say, I don't know what it is. I keep on going back to the same stuff. I watch, like, this wasn't me, but I put on stuff that I'm familiar with. I watch reruns of stuff. I listen to music that I already know I like. Discovery's hurting, I think. I don't know if these algorithms broke us or what. T. Anwar, shout out. He's looking for, his wife needs encouragement to go get that Kirkland drip. He can't make the sales pitch. She's like, no, you will not wear the Kirkland drip. You have my endorsement, T. Anwar. And if you're listening,
you have our support.
If the wife is listening, you have no idea the type of improvement in your lifestyle once he's rocking the Kirkland drip, and all of a sudden, all the prospects change for you and your family.
Yeah,
you only go up from there. So I would not step in the way of the Kirkland hoodie. Yeah. So discovery, what can be done here within music and other things? It's tough, dude. People can become comfortable, particularly in music, with the names they know, the playlists they have, the things like this. And even discovery now is so loose. It's you put on a radio station based on a particular song and kind of don't even really pay attention. But what you can see here is they put a bigger video component. So you're maybe a little more connected. It's a little more YouTube-y. See, has got a video thumbnail sort of thing going on.
Like TikTok as well with the swiping.
So you're like, I'll take a crack at that because they got claws. They got lobster claws on. Right? On the first one. You slide it over.
Yeah, I see it.
And then you go, look, I'll take a crack at that. They got lobster claws on. I don't know. What do you think, Will?
I think that, like you said, it's hard for discovery. And they're trying things out. They have the money, they have the budget, they have the time to, create something new in terms of music discovery features.
That's why discoveries on Spotify, unlike many other platforms, gives creators so much more than just a fleeting moment of viral fame. Those meaningful long-term connections are a key part of what makes Spotify a platform for professional, inspiring artists. Spotify's app is optimized not to maximize time spent listening, but to help users find what they want to listen to as quickly as possible. Within the new home experience on mobile, users can scroll through visual feeds for music podcasts and audiobooks to sample audio and video podcasts if available before diving in. If they find something they like, they can tap to save or share, preview multiple songs from a playlist or album, read along with transcriptions for many episode picks, or even watch video podcasts.
How often do you use the Discover feature?
Never. I don't mind listening to new music. I kind of just want to hit one button, though. And I'm like, let's see what you got for me. I don't really... When I'm using Spotify, I'm not captive. I'm not looking at it. I would be in the car. It would just be... I just want to hit play on something and go ahead and show me new music. Go ahead. Get to know me better. Do your algorithmic magic. But it's very hard for me as a video substitute to add in another video feed into my life. You know what I mean? I got enough apps that want to show me video. And for me, when it comes to Spotify, that's not really what I'm trying to do.
So who do you think this is for? Maybe for kids? With the idea of swiping?
It's for them attempting to stay competitive. That's what it's for. They're saying, well, how do we differentiate? How do we maximize? How do we compete in a space where in the most competitive attention marketplace ever, when one of our competitors is YouTube and has this massive video component? When they lured away Rogan and gave him $1 billion, it was like, okay, your podcast is here and the video is here. That was the key thing. They want to have a more comprehensive identity. It's just, are they going to be successful in changing people's perception of what the app is and how they use it? Can they create a software experience that's that good that actually causes people to change their habits?